Hey there. So I discovered some things with just trial and error today, and I kind of wanted to make a video on it. Sure, there's videos out there, but surface level, I was not able to find anything, and I just kind of discovered this with just doing things over and over and just seeing what happens. So this is kind of what I discovered. If you're a video producer or you have multiple camera angles for your church service or an event or a concert, this will definitely kind of be an assistance or a help to you if you're trying to do live stream as well as record at the same time. I found that when we were trying to figure that out, it was limiting between having a connection between one computer, but then not being able to record or vice versa. So this particular setup is really cool, and yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay, so right now I'm working with the ATEM Mini Pro as a switcher. So this is just a 4-camera switcher, but what I was encountering throughout my void of what was happening was the fact that I was not able to record my footage. I was not able to record the service without having the USB-C connected to the main computer that is running live stream. So what we originally had was using the USB Type-C that was connected to the Mac. That was connected so that we could get video feed, as well as we can have like a hard wire connection to the Mini Pro. But by doing one thing and discovering something else in the background, I saw that the software control for the Mini Pro was still available. It wasn't saying that it was disconnected. It was still saying it was available. So I was like, wait, it's nothing connected. But this is how all of this is happening. So right now we have the Mini Pro software control open on my computer right now. Nothing's connected to it. And I'm able to see everything. That was one of the things. And the way that you can do this is in your connection. You need to make sure that the software name, you have that connected. So connected via software or the switcher name. And then you need to connect your Mini Pro. And so basically this is all going to be connected through the internet. So if you have your Mini Pro connected through Ethernet, and that's what we have, then it will work. And you have to make sure you're on that network. And I tested it out, and I saw that if I did my hotspot, it doesn't work. So that is something that you can do. So say if you have your switcher in an area, so our area is kind of small because we have our pro presenter technician here as well as our camera person here running the main camera. So having a switcher here in this area is very, very small, and it limits your space. So me being the person that's doing the switching, I'm kind of squeezed in here running it, and then the person here is running the camera. So this is something that I can move this instead of using the switcher there. It's going to be there, but I can move this here, and I can maybe be in the background here and still see the view. The only thing I wish is I could see all of this. I could just take all of this and put it right there. And so then I can just be over there controlling the switching as well as communicating with the camera technicians and not being in the way. That would be mind-blowing. And I'm sure there's a way that we could figure that out and maybe do a wireless transmission to a different area. But this is what we have so far and what we are limited with. I think I'm going to be starting to use this now that I'm able to do everything kind of wirelessly, if you think about it. I do like doing the physical buttons, it just gives that effect. But for the time being, this is something very cool. If you have been trying to do this, you may not have the budget to do some other things to make it wirelessly so you can be in another room, this is a great alternative. So this is honestly game changer, and if you need more details on how that all happened, definitely let me know. But I just wanted to share my discovery of what I just found out. I haven't seen any videos on this, and there may be videos out there, which is cool. But I just kind of discovered this with just trial and error, just plugging stuff in and out, and then seeing that this view was still up and nothing was connecting. And I was like, wait, how is that working? And sure enough, it's through the internet. And so nothing has to be connected to that. So that's honestly game changer. So yeah, this is definitely a different video, but if you want more videos like this or a official setup of our church and how we run production and eventually going live stream for the first time ever, then let me know and I would definitely do another video below. But that's it, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, like, and comment below if you have any other questions, and I'll definitely make another video. See ya.